Yeah. So more people will be coming for the interview, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. For the interview, yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
You are a mumu man.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. I'm here for the driver's position.
Yeah. We haven't met before, have we? And you just walked in here and make yourself at home without even greeting.
That's what I do for you.
Courtesy demands that when you walk into a place for the first time, you knock. When you knock and then the person say come in, then you come inside and keep standing until the person asks you to sit. And when you're sitting, you don't say anything until the person asks you, what are you here to do? Then you open your mouth and say, oh, I'm here for a driving position. Before you start driving the office.
Oh, where are my manners?
I think you left them at home. And if possible, go back for them. Because in this interview, you will need them a lot.
No, actually, I thought I knocked. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Oh, no worries. You've already saved yourself the energy by sitting down. No need to try to be a gentleman that you're not. But anyways, how may I help you?
I just said I'm here for the position of the driver.
I don't want peace. He shot you.
Are you this rude or you're playing a prank? Mr. Driver, I think you should watch how you talk here. Because outside this work environment, I don't think you can stand me. I will so beat you like a child.
I'm so sorry, sir. I think it hasn't gotten to that. I'm sorry.
What is your name?
My name is Rushan Dushan Sherik Olakoshin Haidimeba Williams A.
Mr. Man, I only asked for your name. I didn't say you should pray in tongues.
Oh, that's my real name. That's my full name, sir.
Jesus
Really?
is
So how
Lord.
would you manage to squeeze this kind of name into an international passport?
Oh, that's my passport. They made a lot of space for the names.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, that's just how it is on the passport.
You are not serious. Wow. Okay. I think I will stick with Williams. Your interview was supposed to be at 1:30 p.m. You are late. Look, Mr. Williams, interviews are scheduled for a reason. You just can't expect to stroll in here whenever you please and expect a job.
Oh, sir, I'm just a minute late. Just like the interview letter said, I should come 1:30. And I'm here to say this is 1:32, sir.
Oh, you want to teach me my job, right? Oh, come and sit down here. Come and sit down. It seems you know better, right? Don't you know a lot can happen in a second?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Some of you are just evil.
Mr. Williams, the space has been occupied earlier today.
Sir, but you said I should come for my interview by 1:30. So, this is just... How can the space be occupied, sir?
Some people came yesterday. Some also came today for this same job interview, for this very driving position. So, we've got our driver. I'm so sorry, Mr. Williams.
So, sir, no space.
Yes, Mr. Williams. No space.
Sir, please. I need this job, sir. I need this job. Sir, please.
I wish there was something I could do, Willie. The new employee will be at home now jubilating that he has gotten a job. So what do you want me to do? I should disappoint him or what? I don't understand. He has gotten his job. So he's our new driver. Okay?
Sir, please. Please, I need this job, sir. I need this job.
Are you deaf? I said there is no space. There is no space at all in this I'm serious. There is no space. So please, just
Sir,
you
please.
can leave.
No, just see, sir, I really need this job. I need, just look for something for me, like do something for me about this, sir. Please, sir, please.
Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Sorry. Hello? Yeah. You know, won't talk. Talk. I didn't interview now. Bro, silence that man. Silence him, I beg.
Jesus!
This man has delayed us for long now. You don't want to bring the money.
What have I done with myself?
Bro, as I'm talking to you, I'm angry. I'm angry right now.
Hey, plan,
I beg, anytime.
Say na eyes dey pay me and they waiting me.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, no problem. My brother, call me Peter.
Peter, you were saying something about the job before my call came in.
Oh, right, about the job. I said there's been a slight change of plans. It turns out to be that the other guy won't be able to take the job after all. You are hired.
What do you mean, sir?
What I'm trying to say is his village people has won him this time. So today happens to be a lucky day. So the job is yours. I'm going to sign you the contract of acceptance so that you resume work as soon as possible.
Are you serious? I mean,
Of course, you're in. Yes, my brother, you're in.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. I'm grateful.
You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. You're welcome.
So, sir, would you test my driving as you said I should? You said on the letter.
Absolutely not. You seem like a resourceful guy.
Oh, really?
Exactly the kind we need around here. Plus, your spirit tells me you're a great driver. So there's no need for any interview, okay? I just have to write you your acceptance letter and then you go.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, you're welcome, my brother. Okay, that's it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank you too. It's my pleasure having you around. Where's my phone? Let me call this man. Let me resign before they will kill me here.
I hope you enjoy that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.